So I'm sure you guys have heard of relays and solenoids and contactors, but what's the difference? What are they? How do they relate? Some people erroneously call relays solenoids and solenoids relays. I just want to clarify something and describe it the way I understand it so we're on the same page. A relay has a solenoid inside of it. A solenoid is an actuator. And what's an actuator? Well, first of all, nothing like defining a term with another term that someone may not understand. So an actuator is like it's a doer. It's some sort of a mechanism that does something, all right? And a solenoid, in its simplest form, is a spring. It's a spring that's electronically charged, and it creates a magnetic field. And when you do that, it's going to move something, all right? But basically, you wind a bunch of wire, you send electricity through it, that creates a magnetic field, and if you position things accordingly, it can flip a switch, it can move a push rod, a plunger, that type of thing. Solenoid is not a relay. A relay has a solenoid in it. And what's a contactor? Well, a contactor is a relay on steroids. Usually relays are used in automobiles running on 12 volts, 5 volts, 6 volts, 24 volts, what have you, lower voltage. When we get to the higher voltages, all right, like 300, 400, 500, 1000 volts, then we start using contactors, all right? So hopefully that explains it a bit. In here we have a relay and we have two contactors, okay? They can work in concert, they can work together.